Welcome back to Prep for Calc. What did we do yesterday? Did we do any new topics? I feel like we did. Might have been something in Trig. Oh. I don't know if we did a topic, did we? Alright, adding rational expressions with different denominators. So, yeah, pretty simple. So I'm going to jump back and continue learning. I'll be back to recall what I learned in a little bit. All right, 4 new topics today. What do we got? First was trig. It was like finding trig functions, evaluating trig functions when only given basically you're given a quadrant and one trig function. So say it's in quadrant 1 and sine equals radical 2 over 2. Then you need to find, like, say, tangent and cosecant, for example. Okay, the second new topic was on inverse functions with discrete problems. So basically, I learned a bit more this time about inverse functions. I wanted to read more and learn more about inverse functions, not just being able to do it, but understanding them a little bit. So the definition of inverse function is basically g is the inverse function of f if g of f of x equals x for all the values in the domain of f, and f of g of y is equal to y for all values in the domain of g. This means they basically undo each other. That's really what inverse functions are. Yeah, and they need to be one-to-one relationship, or else it won't. It's not going to be a function. It won't pass vertical line test for one of them. So, boom. Anything else? Yeah, that was 2. What was the third? Ooh, it was something to do with a function. I don't remember now, but one of the fourth, say, was rewriting a bunch, like a logarithmic expression as a single logarithm. And what was the third? Oh, it was actually another logarithm. Solving exponential equations using logarithms and natural logarithms. So this is basically changing an exponential equation into a logarithmic equation. So those are the 4 topics. Finding values of trigonometric functions given information about an angle. Inverse functions, linear discrete, writing an expression as a single logarithm, solving exponential equations by using logarithms and natural logarithms. So that's it for today. 4 new topics. That was a good day. Talk to you tomorrow. See you.